Good afternoon and welcome to my final update of 2021. Please do read carefully the newsletter which we sent earlier with all of the news about the things that have happened this term, but also some information about testing and the return to school in January. If there are any updates to that, we will let you know as soon as we possibly can. Another big highlight of this week was the Christmas concert, which was online last night. It was absolutely superb, well worth the watch if you haven't already. Our students are amazingly talented. I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Have a fabulous one. See you later. Bye.